What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can log in into your Instagram without the username and password if you forget it. So how you can log in. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your settings. After going to your settings, you have to scroll all the way down and find the option that Google. You have to find the option that Google. After clicking on Google, you need to click on manage. Please make sure, guys, you watch the full video and watch every step I'm going to show you, so that you can find your password and username, so that you can log in into your Instagram account using those. After clicking on this, you have to click on manage your Google account. Then you have to scroll side and find the security option right here. After click on security option, you have to scroll all the way down again. Then here you can see here is the option password manager. The Google will take all the passwords that on your phone and they saved it here. So you want to our Instagram password and username. So we want to check this. You have to click on manage password. After clicking on manage password, all the apps on your phone, the Google just saved their password and showing here. You have to find Instagram, scroll all the way down and find the Instagram app. Here you can see here's the Instagram app. After click on Instagram app, you have to unlock your phone using your password or fingerprint or face ID. I'm going to password with unlock with fingerprint. After unlocking it, here you can see this is the account. If your account just logged into your mobile or old account, Google will save all the password and username, so that you can take all the password and username from here and log into your account directly without any phone number or backup, etc like this. So this is how you can log in into your Instagram account if you forget your password from your mobile. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.